Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm just doing a quick video. There's a guy I follow on YouTube called Demolition Ranch, a guy named Matt, and he's a pretty big channel, and kind of hoping, to be honest with you, that somehow or another this will get back to him. But earlier he posted a video talking about all the stuff that was going on with Texas and all the people that are having water leaks because of frozen pipes, and the fact that I guess there's like a shortage because of this, with the plumbing supplies. So there's a old trick that's called a plumber's band-aid, and it's a way to basically stem the flow to get you by until you can get proper materials to make a repair. So let me get things set up, and I'll bring you over once I have it. It's really simple and really quick. All right, this works on copper or plastic or even iron pipe. It doesn't really matter. But this is what I have handy in the shop, so this is what I'm going to use. But basically all you do is take a piece of hose and a screw clamp, and you put the screw clamp on the pipe over or close to where the leak is, and then you slip your piece of hose, and it can be literally anything, like a piece of a tire, or this is literally just a piece of a drain hose off a water softener, but virtually anything will work. You just want it something that's going to conform a little bit to the pipe and to the area of damage. Now you do not need this big a piece. Let's go ahead and cut it down. All you really need is something that's going to cover the area to match the size of the damage that you have to your broken pipe. So you'd place this over top of where the crack is, and then just screw the clamp down, and it's pretty amazing how well this will work. So hopefully that is helpful to somebody and gets them out of a pinch and gets them back in business. I know it's a pain in the butt with COVID and everything else that's kind of going on right now, to have to deal with this stuff on top of it. And again, it's really my sincerest hope that somebody will be helped out of this, and maybe one of the big channels can pick it up and run it so that other people can hear about it. Thanks guys, have a great night.